Hi everyone, I am Abhishek. Hope you all are doing well. This is my first tutorial, so in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can put a text or any object in a 3D space onto your video. So let's head into it. So friends, before starting the tutorial, I want to tell you the footage I have used in my intro section is from the Pixels. It is a great site to find copyright-free photos and videos, and the drone footage I have used in my intro is also from here. You can also find more awesome footage in it, so you check it out. So friends, this is the final look of our project, of how our project will look like when this is completed. So no need to worry about it because I'm gonna start it from the scratch. I've already imported my video footage in here, which simply have to just drag it and put it on the new composition. You can also do the same thing by simply right click on the video footage and you will see a new comp from the selection. You can also do the same. We now have to go to the right hand side of the Adobe Effects and Control panel, and yes, we have to write the 3D camera tracker. We will find it and we simply have to drag and drop onto our footage. It will analyze the footage onto the background and put some small dots. It will take some time. You can also see the progress percentage of our analyzing thing onto the left hand side of the Effects and Control panel. So I just simply skip this part, or otherwise it will take so long. So friends, after analyzing the video, we will find that there are some small points onto our video, and if we move the cursor around, we will find that the points will also move as our video moves forward. So that means we have successfully tracked our video, and now we have to find an appropriate plane for where we can put our text. So it's pretty simple. We just hover around the point and the plane will appear. So we just have to find an appropriate plane for our text. So we keep looking. Yes, I think this will be it. So right click onto it and you will find a create a null camera. Just click onto it. The track null one and 3D camera tracker will be created. Null is an object which basically it is an invisible object, but it can still take some important information like position, scale and orientation of any layer or object. We now simply create a text. You can create any text. So I write subscribe. So please do subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Okay, now I just link this text file to this null object and nothing happens because we have not still converted the 2D text file into a 3D. If you don't find this option, just toggle the switches and you will find it. And see that we have converted the 2D text file into a 3D, and it will be, yes, it will be created. We simply have to play with the rotation, orientation, to make it visible. I think the position should be changed. Yes, now it's look perfect. And now we will see that our text will move with our video footage, and we have successfully created a 3D text onto a video, which moves as our video moves. So friends, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please press the bell icon to get notified with my future videos.